Hello everybody, welcome back to skidsteers.com. I'm Isaac and today we're bringing you the Blue Diamond heavy duty open front brush cutter. This brush cutter does come in one option and it's going to be that 72-inch model that is rated for machines that are 75 horsepower or under, and then it does have that one flow range, that 15 to 22 gallon per minute range for your skid steer. So there is no high flow option. This is going to be again for those smaller mid-sized machines that are 75 horse and under within that flow range. We did for a long time have the heavy duty in just the closed front, but we decided to go with a open front design for this brush cutter because we do sell open front brush cutters that are very, very popular, and the open front design is just so much more convenient when you're going through your cut path and you may have some taller things that you need to knock down. So this way you can just move smoothly through that cut path without having to raise up the arms of the machine and bring that top down onto that brush or mid-sized trees or saplings or whatever it may be. This cutter does have 3 blades underneath, and those blades are dual edge and they are 1/2 inch thick. Those blades then are bolted on to a 3/4 inch thick blade carrier, so it is very heavy duty built and will be able to withstand a very thick or dense brush in certain patches or areas of your pastures or in fields or in the woods, wherever you're running this brush cutter through. The brush cutter itself has a 4-inch cut capacity, so again, you're able to take out any of that tall grass, shrubs, brush, mid-sized trees, saplings with ease. So if you run into anything that's going to be 4 inches across, you're going to be able to blow through that no problem whatsoever. The brush cutter is designed with 1/4 inch thick steel throughout the unit, as well as it has the extra crossbars going across the top here of the deck for extra reinforcement, as well as you'll see those come through to this top push bar here. And this push bar, again, very convenient to have because, like I had explained before, as you're riding through your cut path and you're going after things that are taller than, of course, the deck of the cutter, you're going to be able to go straight at the base of them and you'll be able to hit it with that push bar, allowing it to move forward. That way you can continue moving forward in that cut path and just chop it right up without, of course, having it fall back on the cab of the machine, which can be kind of a safety hazard, or again, bringing the cutter top down onto things which could have material kind of flying throughout. With the brush cutter design, you've got the sides here that come down at a 90-degree angle, and it'll be riding on these skid shoes. So this way, again, you're riding it flat. The material, once you're cutting it, is gonna stay underneath the deck for the most part. You may have, if you're going after some thicker stuff, it may kind of fly out the front just from the force of the blade spinning. It might go that way, but it's not gonna be flying all over the place or back onto your machine. So the design of the cutter itself is very, very convenient and is going to be very nice for operation. When looking at the operation of the brush cutter, again, we had mentioned that it's the 3-blade system. It's a dual edge blades, and then it cuts up to 4 inches diameter material, and that's because it's got a 130cc Eaton driller motor, which is oil filled and is direct drive. So you only need the 2 hydraulic lines to run this brush cutter, so you don't need that extra case drain, that smaller line for any back pressure. This is going to be ran again on your standard flow machines, so you're not going to have any issues with the hydraulics. The oil filled direct drive system is also a lot more of an efficient motor, and that motor is bidirectional. So like I had talked about before, the blades are dual edge. So you might be wondering, well, how am I going to use the other side of the blades if I'm spinning it in the one direction? Well, the nice thing is again, that motor is bidirectional. So you can, from the cab of some machines, flip the hydraulic flow, so that way it'll spin it in the other direction. Or in some cases, you'll have to swap around the hose fittings and things like that, and then it'll spin that carrier in the opposite direction that it was originally going in. So that way you can dull either side of those blades before needing replacements. So that way you get a long, long life and a lot of use out of them, again, before needing to get replacements. The motor is fully enclosed, so it is housed by the shell here, so that way it's protected. Again, if you've got taller things or you've got bigger pieces of branches or whatever flying around, you don't want anything hitting that motor or damaging or getting caught up in there. So with that housing, it is protected, which is again just a very useful design, so that way you don't have any issues down the road. The brush cutter here, the heavy duty open front design, is a fantastic unit for, again, any of those machines between 15 to 22 gallons per minute on standard flow. And from what I see, there's a lot of skid steers out there that are within that range in their standard flow. So it is a perfect model for those mid-sized machines that are, again, 75 horsepower or less. The cutter's great for any of that tall grass, brush, shrubs, small, mid-sized trees. You're gonna have no problem blowing through that and getting the job done extremely fast, effectively, and efficiently. The Blue Diamond heavy duty open front brush cutter is a very well built piece of equipment manufactured with US steel and is US made. We are backing that with a 1-year warranty against any manufacturer defects, and we're also offering free shipping on this product. If you do have any questions, feel free to give us a call here. You can reach us at 866-315-3134, or you can click that link in the description below to pull up the page for this cutter. You can see any additional photos, specs, features that you may be looking for. We'll also have an additional video of this product in action. Thank you all very much for watching. We do appreciate it, and you all have a great rest of your day.